Hawaii is more than a destination. It's a feeling born of fire and shaped by the sea. 8 main islands float in the Pacific, where ancient traditions meet modern luxury, and every sunset feels hand-painted. This is your ultimate guide to paradise, from bustling harbours to hidden valleys that time forgot. Begin on Oahu with reflection at Pearl Harbor and the USS Arizona Memorial, a powerful bridge to history. Shift to the pulse of Waikiki, where surf lessons, and Kalakaua Avenue set the rhythm of Honolulu. Climb Diamond Head or Leahi for a sweeping 360-degree view of city and sea. Chase winter swells on the North Shore at Banzai Pipeline and Waimea Bay, then savor Giovanni's legendary garlic shrimp. For a peaceful refuge, head to Ho'omaluhia Botanical Garden in Kaneohe. Spanning 400 acres at the base of the dramatic Ko'olau Range, this place of peace features tropical flora from around the globe. Whether you're walking the lakeside trails or simply soaking in the mountain views, it's a living museum of island beauty. As of 2026, the garden is closed every Thursday, so plan your visit for a quiet weekday morning. Just minutes from the city lies the Manoa Falls Trail, a short but immersive trek through a prehistoric rainforest. You might recognize this lush scenery from films like Jurassic Park and Lost. The 1.6-mile path leads you through towering bamboo and ancient banyans to a stunning 150-foot vertical drop. It's often muddy and mystical, earning this area its nickname, the Rainbow Valley. Next, step onto the backlot of Hawaii at Kualoa Ranch. This 4,000-acre private nature reserve has been the backdrop for over 70 Hollywood blockbusters, from Jurassic Park to King Kong. Whether you explore the Jurassic Valley by ATV Raptor or take the classic movie sites bus tour, the scale of these emerald cliffs will leave you speechless. For a moment of pure serenity, visit the Byodo Inn temple tucked away in the Valley of the Temples. This stunning non-denominational Japanese shrine is a replica of a 900-year-old temple in Uji, Japan. Before you enter, ring the 3-ton sacred bell or bonsho to clear your mind and bring a blessing of peace and happiness. Experience the future of sightseeing with the Explore Ride XR bus. It's the first tour in the US to use extended reality windows, allowing you to see Waikiki as it looked a century ago or watch digital whales swim through the city streets. It's a mind-bending way to bridge Hawaii's rich past with 2026 technology. End your week like a local with the Friday night fireworks at the Hilton Hawaiian Village. While thousands watch from the sand, here's a 2026 pro tip. Book a Glow paddleboard tour to watch the show from the water. Floating on a light-up board while the sky erupts above you is the ultimate Waikiki core memory. On Maui, greet the sun atop Haleakala, a crimson crater world Twain called the sublimest spectacle. Trace the road to Hana with 620 curves, black sand at Āina Panapa. Sail to Molokai crater, where glass-clear water and vibrant reef life redefine snorkeling, and waterfalls that demand a stop. From December to May, watch humpbacks erupt from the Maui Nui Basin like living mountains. On the island of Hawaii, feel creation in motion at Hawaii Volcanoes National Park along lava tubes and the Chain of Craters Road. Climb Mauna Kea for stargazing so clear, you'll swear you can touch the Milky Way. On the Hilo side, Akaka Falls plunges 442 feet through rainforest in a single silver ribbon. After dark in Kona Drift with graceful giants on a manta ray night snorkel. Kauai's Napali Coast rises in emerald walls best met by boat helicopter or the rugged Kalalau Trail. Gaze over Waimea Canyon, the Grand Canyon of the Pacific painted in reds, browns and greens. Follow the Wheelua River to the Fern Grotto, then unwind at family-friendly Poipu Beach with sunbathing monk seals. For quiet soul time, wander Lanai's Garden of the Gods and Molokai's towering sea cliffs and sacred Halawa Valley, where old Hawaii lives on. For a change of pace, retreat to the Ko-Olina Lagoons on the sun-drenched west side. These 4 jewel-toned protected bays offer crystal-clear, tranquil waters perfect for a calm swim or a quiet sunset stroll away from the Waikiki crowds. To truly understand the heartbeat of these islands, spend a day at the Polynesian Cultural Center. It's an immersive journey through 6 different island villages where you can try your hand at traditional weaving, spear throwing, and even fire knife dancing. Honor Mālama, Āina, respect wildlife and trails, leave only footprints, and let Hawaii change you.